I'd had a determination that I wasn't going to end up having to talk about the weather for 3 videos in a row. But weather is still having such a significant impact on our life, especially in the North Island. And at the moment our hearts really go out to the people of Tairāwhiti and Hawke's Bay, where they've been bearing the brunt of it. Weather has played a part in my life just recently. Last weekend we travelled to Russell with the Diocesan Council to hold our annual planning meeting there and to be able to engage with local people in that newly established mission district. Having spent 25 years as local shared ministry, they've just entered a new phase of ministry and worship life together. And so we worship with the people of Christchurch Russell on Sunday, and I was able to commission and license and install the Reverend Peter Minson as the priest in charge there. On the Saturday though, we spent the day together as Diocesan Council discussing various aspects of the life of our diocese and some planning for things that we'd like to see come about across this next year. Really good weekend. But my goodness, on that Friday night, getting ourselves up there, we were hugely relieved when we realised that everybody had got through safely before, at least for a little time, Northland was cut off once again from the rest of the North Island. I've just been part of an event this week to give thanks to God and to Judy Matai'a for her ministry as CEO of the Anglican Trust for Women and Children. Judy has given 15 years of service to ATWC, and the last 7 of those as CEO. She was the first woman CEO and the first Pacifica CEO. Judy's brought such a heart of compassion to that role, wonderful depth of faith in the way that she's gone about her work, and so we will miss her enormously, but the time has come for Judy for a change, and we wish her well in new adventures and in new ministry ahead. I hope that in spite of whatever is going on where you live at the moment, all of those challenges that we're all facing, that you know a sense of God's presence, God's blessing and God's peace in your lives.